Good afternoon viewers, meet me again Muhammad in the Saturday, November 27 edition of the news program to share the latest and most reliable news, which we have summarized in this afternoon news.
Botswana COVID in Hong Kong suspected of contagion due to air vermin. The first version of the Botswana variant of COVID-19 in Hong Kong is suspected of transmitting the virus to a second person due to wearing a mask within air vermin. Radio Hong Kong Television reported that this allegation emerged after a microbiologist from the University of Hong Kong UOP released the result of this investigation on Thursday. The investigation showed that the mask the patient was wearing contributed to the transmission of the coronavirus to the second patient through the air. Hong Kong did report 2 cases of the Botswana variant of COVID-19. The Hong Kong Center for Health Protection confirmed the new variant was carried by a 36-year-old man who flew in from South Africa on November 11. When he arrived, he tested negative for COVID-19. 2 days later, underwent another test and tested positive for COVID-19. The man was forgotten to transmit the virus to another man who lived next door. They were then quarantined separately at Regal Airport Hotel Check Lab, Hong Kong. Since then, the Hong Kong government has also banned the use of masks with air flows or breathing gaps during quarantine in hotel. The mask is said to be ineffective at filtering use of air from outside. The government has also suggested that air purifier be installed in quarantine room in hotel if guests wish to exercise. Experts state the mutation rate of the coronavirus B11529 is very high. They are also concerned that this variant has the potential to weaken the efficacy of the current COVID-19 vaccine. Ravi Gupta, a professor of clinical microbiology at Cambridge University, said research in his lab found 2 mutations in B11529 were early recognized by antibody. It's saying that the antibody that have been built by the COVID-19 vaccine are less able to recognize and fight the Botswana variant of the coronavirus. This mutation is indeed a concern, however, the main thing to look at is the transmission ability of the virus because it is what drives the Delta variant explosion. The ability to evolve immunity is only part of the picture of